Hello everyone! Is there anyone living with constant jaw pain and headaches from teeth grinding? Imagine if a few Botox injections could make a difference. In this video, we're breaking down how Botox treats bruxism and what you need to know. Bruxism is the medical term for teeth grinding or clenching. It can happen during the day or at night and can lead to jaw pain, headaches, damaged teeth, and even temporomandibular joint issues over time. Botox injections into the masseter muscles or the jaw muscles help by relaxing them, which reduces the intensity of grinding or clenching. This lessens the discomfort associated with bruxism and may also protect teeth from further damage. In some cases, treating the masseter muscles with Botox can lead to a slimmer or more contoured jawline. This effect is usually subtle and occurs as the muscles relax and reduce in size over time. Side effects are rare, but can include temporary muscle weakness, mild soreness, or bruising at the injection site. In very rare cases, some may experience asymmetry or changes in bite function, which usually resolve as the Botox wears off. Botox typically takes about 1 to 2 weeks to begin relaxing the jaw muscles, with full effect seen within a month. Results usually last between 3 to 6 months, after which follow-up treatments may be necessary to maintain relief. The benefits are reduced jaw pain and tension, improved sleep quality, a more relaxed jawline and facial appearance as overdeveloped masseter muscles begin to soften.
If you have any question, feel free to drop your question below.